How to make your wired headphone to wireless Bluetooth headphone. You're gonna need a headphone, obviously. Mine is SteelSeries Arctis 5, which is a wired headphone. The important thing that makes these headphones wireless is this Bluetooth audio receiver. This is Remax clip-on Bluetooth receiver. I got it online for $15 and it comes with earphone, but the sound is not that good. I've put the link below in the description in case you want it. And then the last thing that you need is this audio jack 3.5 male to male cable. The receiver has clip on it, so I made a strap on the headphones. I can clip the receiver on it. My headphone has 2 input slots, so it makes the connection easier. Just plug the audio jack and pair with your device. It's compatible with any phone and PC. The sound quality is good, the bass is not that strong. You can play music for 8 hours on full charge. The bad thing about this receiver is that it has delay. The delay is about 0.3 seconds, which makes watch movie and play games kinda annoying. But it meant to use for music at the first place. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. I will see you on the next one.